Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Inorganic chemistry questions for you. Here you have ammonium cation. You have to find hybridization and shape of it. To find the hybridization, you should know the steric number, which is H equals V plus B minus C whole divided by 2. Here V stands for valency. Valency of nitrogen is 5 and fluorine atoms are 4. So if you substitute in the H formula, you have 8 by 2 gives 4. So the lone pair will be H minus B, which is 4 minus 4 is 0. H4 means sp3 hybridization. The geometry will be tetrahedral. So the shape of ammonium cation is tetrahedral. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.